picking wild asparagus in our woods on a beautiful spring day. Here's one right here. I have to pick this one. And there's another one kind of drooping down. Have to get up to that. And this is a wild asparagus patch. Have to see if there's any in there. And lovely to see the wildflowers popping up in the midst of the branches of the wild asparagus. Oh, here's one right here. It's a little one. Here's another patch over here. I'll head over there. So wild asparagus picking on a spring day in the Umbrian woods just below our house. Nothing like it. Well, back from the woods into our house, and there's this morning's gathering of Asparagi selvatici, wild asparagus, and I placed them on this old cartwheel. No better place to conclude a wild asparagus hunt than right here at the old cartwheel. And there's a reason. Along the base of the oak tree, behind the old cartwheel, wild asparagus sprout. I'm going to add this one to my handful of today's wild asparagus. I had picked one here yesterday. And the delicious asparagus will go either into a frittata of asparagus, wild asparagus, Asparagi selvatici, or we just steam the tips and enjoy them with our organic eggs scrambled and a bit of salt. Nothing as delicious. Add a touch of olive oil too. Buon appetito with Asparagi selvatici. Not to mention, no, that touch of purple has nothing to do with wild asparagus. It just joined in a beautiful wildflower growing in our woods. Asparagi selvatici with a touch of color.